So if you are here, it's because your phone's display or back glass is broken. So as ours. To know how this happened, check out our last video. So Honor 9 Lite is one of the best phones under its price point. It has 4 cameras, Kirin 659 and whatnot. But on build side, not that much. The phone cannot even handle a single drop. So how much does it cost if you break your phone's display or back glass? Let's check out. We just googled where Honor's service centers are located near me. And to be frank, there are quite many of them. That's a good thing for a company launching these kinds of phones. Unfortunately, we couldn't shoot the video inside a service center. So here is what they said. It takes rupees 4,700 for changing the front display alone and rupees 1,500 for changing the back glass. It comes to rupees 6,200, which is more than 50% of price of the phone. So think wisely. Don't buy if you drop your phone frequently or use good quality tempered glasses and back covers. We couldn't get our hands on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro due to stupid flash sales, and wait for the video to drop so that you can participate in our very first giveaway, the Redmi Note 5. So please subscribe and follow Durability Mark's Twitter account as well as my personal account, both linked in the description below. Thank you for watching. This was Somasundar Sundar from Durability Mark. See you in my next video. Peace.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher.